Bintan!
Okay, we are taking you guys on a one-nighter.
Not you guys.
Little trip.
You watching this right now. Just you. You're coming with us. Let's go.
Let's go to Bintan. We're on the ferry. I gotta get the gravel. Hopefully it's smooth sailing, but I actually have no idea.
It's already rocking a bit.
Yeah. Well, hope that we can survive this boat ride and enjoy our time.
There you go.
New country going off the list. I wish I could show you guys like a beautiful view, but these windows are literally so dirty.
It looks like it's like a vintage filter.
Yeah, this is like not my camera lens, I swear guys. This is inside of the ferry, unfortunately. So we've arrived in Bintan, and I, even though the type A personality that I am, did not actually pre-book the shuttle to our resort because they have a free one offering. But they have a little booth here, and they stopped us, and we were able to get in on it. So we're just waiting for all the rest of the guests, and we got a free shuttle over. I guess it's okay to be type B every once in a while. Or at chocolate hour, so from 3 to 4 p.m. you have complimentary chocolate from Switzerland. I think we got a little bit of everything.
Oh,
brownie,
yeah.
Waffle, almond cake, Swiss roll, watermelon, and pineapple chocolate dip.
Very good.
Not too sweet.
Classic.
This is giving very luxurious, like all-inclusive Mexico vibes.
Yeah.
But maybe more beautiful. I cannot wait to get down to that beach. We'll see.
Found the swim up bar. We're good.
Is there a swim up bar?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Oh, I see. All right, all right.
The first reveal.
Room tour. Oh, she's comfy looking. Oh, okay. Okay, let me put down my things and get settled, but guys.
Blessed. Hashtag blessed. Look, there's a bed by the bed.
It's where you're sleeping, babes.
Perfect.
We have a patio. Oh, thank God for AC, because that was hot out here. Yeah, we definitely have ocean views. Come on.
Into the bathroom. Oh, hi. That's nice. Nice shower. Nice bathroom and toilet behind the door. Wow.
This resort, they just opened like 6 months ago. December 2025. And it's April 2026. We're pretty lucky.
Oh, that bed slid.
Where?
No,
I didn't feel
in my
it.
direction. I definitely pulled it. See? Oh, awkward.
We're making our way down to the beach.
Did you have to say it like that?
Making our way downtown.
to the beach.
Anyways, the pool's like empty. It's crazy.
It is a Wednesday. I don't know if that helps.
Yeah, that's true.
But like, there's 7 people here.
And we're 2 of them. The true test though is the food good?
Yeah, because if the food's not good, that just
dampens.
is a deal breaker for us.
It ruins the whole experience. I was kind of looking at their menu though, and they have quite the variety.
Yeah.
From like Western cuisine to Indonesian, Chinese, Swiss. This must be a Swiss or European brand.
A European brand. I've never heard of this brand before, but
Melvin picked.
it's on the radar now for sure.
It's giving very like Hawaii, Mexico, like luxurious resort vibes.
Yeah, this is so nice.
And we paid 188 Canadian for one night.
I think we're gonna get outpriced here pretty soon. Like, this is their soft opening. I know we've said that before, but like, this is gonna definitely go up in price.
It's not all inclusive though, so you still have to pay for all the food.
Yeah.
So I guess that might be one of the differences.
Okay, this beach is looking sick.
Very gorgeous. So a lot of our Singapore family said that like they don't swim in the oceans here because it's dirty, and it's just not a thing that they do. But like, you're joking, right? This is a white sandy beach. All right, it's not exactly crystal clear water. There's like, you know, twigs and leaves and seaweed, I guess you could say.
I've swum in way worse than this.
Yeah, it's better than Alberta Lake.
Yeah.
And it's very warm.
So warm.
Y'all, we're getting hungry. We're gonna go check out one of the restaurants on site, Port 19.
Yeah.
And hopefully it doesn't take too long to get food because, one, we're hungry, but we ordered a couple drinks at the pool bar, and I think our 3 drinks took like 25 minutes.
Soft opening.
It's a soft opening. We are giving them grace, but we were like the only ones there. But and the drinks were good, so I guess it was worth the wait. Complimentary bread and butter, and we both got like the traditional Indonesian food, so we can't wait to show you guys that. All right, we also got the fish pakora as an appy. We've got the beef rendang, which comes with rice, some little chips, and like veggies.
Yeah.
And I got the
Sup. Food.
Sup buntut, which is their oxtail. My mom told me that Indonesia is like apparently very famous for oxtail, so I had to try it. It smells really good. Sup buntut is so good. The oxtail, I could see, it was like why my mom recommended. Look at this. The flavors are amazing, and the oxtail is super tender. We are wrapping up tonight. We're exhausted after walking around and checking out the facilities and eating a delicious dinner. We are going to bed. We have like less than 24 hours left here. We're gonna have a fun, relaxing day on the resort tomorrow, and we'll see you then. Good night. We're up and at it.
I'm up. I don't know if I'm at it.
We're gonna go get some breakfast. Our room came with complimentary 2-person breakfast, so we're gonna go see what that's all about. I think it's a breakfast buffet in the same like restaurant area that we had dinner last night, which was really nice. So hopefully I can get a little bit better like daytime footage to show you guys. Good morning. We're just looking. And congee. Thank you. It's like a noodle bar?
Yeah.
Mom's favorite. Omelette station. Ooh, smoked fish, chicken, cheeses. Morning. Anything you want for breakfast, they have.
A bunch of different cuisines.
Yeah, Indian, Malay, and Indonesian, your Western, pancakes, bacon, everything.
Yeah.
This is what I got. A little something for my first round. Congee with the century egg, salted egg, Chinese donut, sprinkled peanuts, some dim sum, crepes. This is my favorite, like pandan with coconut filling.
Oh, so good.
Luke's got quite the Mod Podge.
Yeah, I'm all over the place. A lot
Like
of carbs.
waffle, French toast, pastry, bacon, lava ketchup.
Yogurt.
Oh, and a yogurt.
Yep.
Health.
Health.
Okay, round 2 plate. Some noodles, some tofu, sambal sauce, nasi goreng, and they like freshly made up my soup noodle bowl with seafood broth, and then you can add in whatever you wanted. So I got fish balls, bean sprouts. Yeah, that was it. Just told Luke that my noodles are so delicious that I need to like remember this moment and be filmed. Like, they're cooked perfectly. The flavors of the seafood broth is so good. So delicious. Luke's discovered he really likes Indonesian tea.
I like anything with condensed milk, apparently.
I would 100% spill this.
Yeah, all over the floor.
Yeah. I'm impressed. Thank you. Indonesian black tea.
Nice.
With condensed milk.
Ferry.
Ferry. I don't know. And spices.
So good.
I think it's kind of like a chai. Oh, I need to take a lactese.
Oh yeah.
We discovered a new dessert that we really like. Ang ku kue, which is like mung bean, sticky, delicious. It's a tortoise shell. How cute. Let's see if I can peel this. It's like gummy. Oh, that's so good. We have to remember this and try to maybe make it at home, or see if we can find this back home, because that is good. Sadly, we only have a couple hours left at this beautiful resort. We are gonna crush out a workout and then lounge by the pool a bit before getting our ferry. Breakfast was amazing.
Was so good.
Amazing.
I loved all the different like cuisines they had, like something for everyone.
One thing that I just wanted to remind ourselves sometimes, I feel lazy. I don't want to work out. I don't want to like do the things. But then I thought, if I want to live this life and be able to hike and travel comfortably, I gotta look after this body.
I'm a weirdo. I was looking forward to this. I was like, I need to work out. I need to move. I haven't moved this way in so long.
He loves working out and lifting weights.
I saw the like machines. I haven't used machines in years, so like it's gonna be great.
So sometimes I just need to remind myself, if I want to be doing these things for decades to come, I'm gonna look after this body that I have. We're gonna go find the pool for a little bit. They let us have a late checkout, so 1 p.m., which is very nice, so we can shower up and everything after we have a little dunk.
Yes, I'm so excited. I'm so warm. I feel like I've like been in the pool, even though I haven't.
Yeah, we haven't even gone in yet, but we're like sticky, sweaty. Oh, it's not as like hot tubby as I thought it would be. Look how like beautiful this restaurant is, and we've got the views. That was the pool we were just chilling in for a while. We're having a little light lunch.
It's pretty good. We're pretty blessed.
We had to check out of our hotel room now, so what we've got on is what we've got.
Susanna's not showing the like a big bag I'm lugging around in my like full satchel.
All right, we got scallops, chicken karaage, and tempura for a little lunch snack with a view. The mushroom's pretty good. But yeah, the scallops are a little overdone. It's like the first thing that I would say that we've eaten at this resort that I wasn't super impressed with. How's that shrimp?
It's really good. The batter's like super light, not very heavy, not very greasy.
Yeah, I thought it was super flaky too. It was good.
Like, so good.
And their chicken karaage.
Same thing.
Would get, yeah.
Super good.
We're fed. We're relaxed. We are recharged.
I am happy. I am healthy. I'm
human being.
I'm a recharged, refreshed human being.
In Indonesia.
Yeah, it's been nice.
100% we want to come back to Indonesia and explore maybe some of the other islands.
Susanna's so type A, she's planning it already.
I feel we really got lucky with this one.
I think we, yeah.
Coincidentally.
Yeah.
Did I say this already? It was $188 Canadian. So, and then that meal we just had with the Japanese food was about $45 Canadian. Our dinner last night was about 85 Canadian. And you do have to buy like juice, bottled water. You can't drink the tap water here. Would we come back?
Oh yeah,
100%?
Yep.
What was your highlight here? I think for me it was the oxtail soup. Sup buntut.
I've just been surprised by it, like everything. The location, the service. That black tea was really good.
Oh yeah, with the condensed milk.
Tarik. Yeah, it was really good.
Tea tarik.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for joining us on our little quick Bintan adventure. I know it's not our usual Sulu outdoor content.
We're outdoors.
We are outdoors.
Susanna and Luke outdoors.
We're not.
Nailed it. Like we're outside right now.
We're not like roughing it. I'm sure you miss Looney as much as we do.
Oh yeah.
We miss the noodle.
The noodle nose.
We will have lots of good stuff planned for you guys for this summer. We're getting outside and hiking and back to the usual content. But I'm not mad. If this was more of what our channel was, it's probably a good sign that we're doing okay in life.
I kind of miss the struggle. It's too easy here. I couldn't do this all day, every day. I just did the same thing.
There's a ledge here. Can you please show everybody that I
ledge. No,
just broken ankle.
Show Susanna tripping on the regular. It's fine.
Right.
So
I was
nice.
just about to like pose and be like, I was made for the resort life as I like stumbled.